1905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. Indeed, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to slow the same time if they come together again after a journey if one of them has been moving very fast relative to the other. From this followed the world's most famous formula which describes the relationship between mass and energy. Now in 1905 what happened? Einstein given his special theory about distance and time, and where he described the relationship between mass and energy, and the formula, and he proved and he given a formula of the famous formula that E is equal to mc square, where E stands for energy, m stands for mass, and c stands for the light in vacuum. Now moving forward to the next paragraph, that is 10th paragraph. While Einstein was solving the most difficult problems in physics, his private life was unraveling. Albert had wanted to marry Mileva right after finishing his studies, but his mother was against it. She thought Mileva, who was 3 years older than her son, was too old for him. She was also bothered by Mileva's intelligence. She is a book like you. His mother said. Einstein put the wedding off. Now Einstein fell in the love with Mileva, but after finishing his studies, Einstein was eager to marry Mileva, but her mother was not wanted to him to marry Mileva because Mileva was also too intelligent to. He was also very intelligent like Albert Einstein, and she was 3 years older than Einstein. That's why her mother did not want that Mileva and Einstein got married, and she advised Einstein to put the wedding off. But the pair finally married in January 1903. But in 1993 they get married and had 2 sons. But a few years later the marriage faltered. Mileva meanwhile was losing her intellectual ambition and becoming an unhappy housewife. But what happened? Mileva was also very intelligent. She also wanted to become a scientist in future. But after marriage, her dream was not fulfilled. She could not achieve her dream. She could not achieve her goal. That's why she became very unhappy, and she became very unhappy housewife, we can say. So due to this, their marriage was flattered. That marriage was not successful, and lastly in 1919 they got divorced. और वो दोनों अलग हो गए because उनकी जो उनकी वाइफ थी मिलेवा मैरी, शी वाज आल्सो गुड इन फिजिक्स एंड साइंस. वो भी इंटेलिजेंट थी और वो भी आगे बढ़ना चाहती थी, कुछ बनना चाहती थी. बट आफ्टर मैरिज हर ड्रीम वाज नॉट फुलफिल्ड. वो नहीं कर पाई. दैट्स व्हाई शी बिकम अ वेरी अनहैप्पी हाउसवाइफ. तो लास्टली शी बिकम divorced. She got divorced in 1919. But Einstein married his cousin Ilsa in the same year. Same year, Einstein got married her cousin Ilsa. Now moving forward to the 12th paragraph. Einstein's new personal chapter coincided with his rise to the world fame. In 1915, he had published in General Theory of Relativity, which provided a new interpretation of gravity. An eclipse of the sun in 1919 brought proof that it was accurate. Einstein had correctly calculated in advance that extent to which the light from fixed star would be deflected through the sun's gravitational field. The newspaper proclaimed his work as a scientific revolution. Now, Einstein's new chapter started. And as his first marriage was breakdown, and he married same year one girl named Ilsa, and at the same time that her personal life and professional life was going very rise to the world fame. So in 1915 he published his General Theory of Relativity, and in which he predicted that in 1919 an solar eclipse will be occurred, and that is proved accurate. So after that work, his work proclaimed as a scientific revolution, and he received Nobel Prize in Physics in 1921. Now he was showered with honors and invitations from all over the world and lauded by the press. After that he became very famous, and many of the press praises him, and the invitation was coming to him from all over world. Now moving forward, when the Nazis came to the power in Germany in 1933, Einstein immigrated to the United States. 5 years later, the discovery of nuclear fission in Berlin had American physicists in an uproar. Many of them was fled from fascism, just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid of Nazis could build and use an atomic bomb. Now, what happened? When in the 1933 Nazis came in the power in Germany, and for that, at that time, Einstein immigrated to the United States. 5 years later, there in Berlin, he discovered nuclear fission, and that time American physicists was very upset of his work, very upset. Many of them had fled from fascism, just as Einstein had, and now they were afraid that Nazis could build and use of atomic bomb. As the nuclear fission was discovered, the Nazis was in power, and he was very cruel ruler. Everyone was afraid that he could build, and he can misuse the atomic bomb. Now, at the urging of a colleague, Einstein wrote a letter to the American President Franklin D. Roosevelt on 2 August 1939, in which he warned a single bomb of this type exploded in a port might very well destroy the whole port together with some of the surrounding territory. His word did not fail to have an effect. The Americans developed the atomic bomb in a secret project of their own, and dropping it on the Japanese cities of Hiroshima and Nagasaki in August 9, 1945. What happened? By the urging of colleagues, Einstein wrote a letter to the American president that, and he explained how atomic bomb was dangerous to the whole world. And he explained that a single bomb can destroy everything. But American has developed atomic bomb, and he dropped it in Hiroshima and Nagasaki, the Japanese cities, that is Hiroshima and Nagasaki, in August 1945. By this, that incident जो ये हुआ जापानीज सिटीज पर जो एटॉमिक बम गिराया गया, that deeply shaken by the extent of the destruction, deeply shaken by this incident. जो ये इंसिडेंट था, जो ये घटना था, उसके बाद आइंस्टाइन वॉज डीपली सेकेंड, वो बहुत ही अंदर से उन्हें बहुत बुरा लगा. दिस टाइम ही रोट अ पब्लिक मैसेज टू द यूनाइटेड नेशन. इन इट he proposed the formation of a world government. Unlike the letter to the Roosevelt, this one made no impact. But over the next decade, Einstein got ever more involved in politics, agitating for an end to the arms buildup and using his popularity to campaign for peace and democracy. After this, उन्हें बहुत बुरा लगा, and that time he wrote a letter to the massive मतलब पूरे वर्ल्ड को उन्होंने इस बार मैसेज देना चाहते थे थ्रू द लेटर. He write to the United Nations, and he proposed for the formation of the world government, for the world peace. He appealed for the world peace, but that proposal or that appeal was had made no impact. But after over a decade, he involved in a politics, and his popularity to campaign for the peace and democracy, and he campaigned for world peace and democracy by involving in politics. When Einstein died in 1955 at the age of 76, he was celebrated as a visionary and a world citizen as much as a scientist genius. Now, in 1955, he was died at the age of 76. After that, he was celebrated as a visionary. What is the meaning of visionary? Visionary means a person who can think about the future in an original and intelligent way, and he really think for whole world, for whole the peace for whole world, and the whole world citizen as much as a scientific genius, as he was a great scientist, as well as he was a great citizen, as well as he was a visionary person. This chapter is ended here. Thank you very much.